In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll start right from a simple Google search and finish with a neatly named chart layout that saves itself automatically, so you never lose your work. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type TradingView and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official result that reads TradingView. Track all markets. Click that one. A quick tip: make sure the link points to TradingView.com to avoid any lookalike sites or ads that aren't the official platform. Once TradingView loads, you'll see a search field at the top of the page. Click into that search bar to activate it. Type gold versus US dollar, which is the standard way to find the XAUSD chart, and select it from the suggestions. This opens the live chart for gold priced in US dollars, a popular market for both traders and analysts. With the chart open, you're in the main charting workspace. This is where your indicators, drawings, and settings live. To keep things organized, we'll manage your layout. Look toward the top right area of the chart for the Manage Layouts option and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Rename. A small window will open asking for a new name. Give your chart a clear, descriptive title, something like Gold versus USD Analysis or XAUSD Daily Plan, so you can find it instantly later, especially if you keep multiple layouts. After typing the name, confirm by clicking Rename. You should now see your new layout name reflected in the interface. Next, let's protect your work by turning on automatic saving. Open Manage Layouts again. In the options, locate Autosave and click it to enable the feature. When Autosave is on, TradingView regularly saves your drawings, indicators, and chart settings in the background. That means if your browser closes unexpectedly or you switch symbols, your latest changes are preserved without needing to click Save each time. A couple of quick pointers as you wrap up. If you don't immediately see Manage Layouts, make sure you're in the chart view rather than browsing ideas or markets. Also, consistent naming helps keep your workspace tidy. Consider including the time frame or strategy in the layout name if that fits your workflow. And that's it. You searched for TradingView on Google, opened the gold versus US dollar chart, renamed your layout for clarity, and enabled autosave for peace of mind. You're now set up to analyze efficiently and keep your progress safe.